Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Web Gear Review. I am your host, the Web Gear Guy, and I want to just show you just a little simple video of how to put the Tropical Rucksack X-Frame onto the Tropical Rucksack. Okay? My last video, maybe, I made a video showing you how to put the bow into the spring frame for the Tropical Rucksack. And in this video, I want to show you how to attach it to your Tropical Rucksack. First of all, I'm going to tell you right now, take the bow out of your frame first, or it's going to be very difficult, okay? Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the kidney. Yeah, boy, these things are tough. I'm going to okay? I'm going to bend the frame, and I'm going to try to take that. Let's see if I can. These things are mean, okay? This is why. There you go. All right. I took that off, alrighty? Now, I've took the bow out of the side straps, okay? So the frame is flat now, okay? There's no spring to the frame. I've found that, to me, that's the easiest way to get it in here. Just like the Arvin rucksack, because these are designed just almost the same thing. It pops up into here. See that? Hope that wasn't off camera. It pops up into there, and once again, you just snap the old button up here. Pops that in place, okay? That holds the pack to the frame. And then once again, you just simply take this right here, and you kind of snap it in there. There you go. It snaps in there like that, okay? And then you got to do a little bow action here to get this on here, okay? That's why you don't want to try to put it on when you already have the frame bowed, because if you do, you're trying to bend against the tension of the other way. And then you slap that on there, okay? Now, it's on there. See that? Frame's on there. I told you it's just a simple little video, okay? Now, I already have the adjustment for this kidney pad that got rest on your hips adjusted to put a bow in here, okay? So let's go up here. You hook that right there like that. You hold this buckle here, and now here's where you got to get mean. You got to bend this frame, and hopefully I can, bend it on there. Let's see here. Come on. All right, the old man did it. Look at there. See that? Now you got a pad, and this pack is held. You get that strap. Okay. Look at there. You can see this pack is held off your back now. Okay, that gives a little air, plus it makes more of a padding right here, okay? And then once again, you pull these inner straps, you tighten them up to give this a bow to get that higher off your back. But these old straps here, I showed you in the video how to get the spring in the pack. I'm not going to do it on here because these straps are pretty old, and you know, they were hard to mess with when I had plenty of room to them. So, but anyway, you would just bend this like that, and you would pull that strap, and it puts a bow in there, and it keeps this lightweight rucksack off your back, okay? But anyway, that's how you do it, and you put the frame on, you put the bow in there, you put the bow here with these, and thanks for watching the Web Gear Review.